Genius, and today we will be covering a very important topic, that is the current issue as well, that is of SPSC interview. Those who have qualified the PCS exams in 2018, uh, congratulations to them. Now the things I have gone through when I have taken a few interviews is that they have been repeatedly making these mistakes mainly. First things first. So this topic is about what to avoid, what mistakes to avoid at SPSC interview. First of all, don't repeat the question. Some candidates have a tendency that they repeat the question. For example, if I am asking about the what is the current status of Pakistan's economy, so they will say, okay, so about economy. I mean, what it means. So please do not repeat the question what the panelist has said. Right? Start from your answer. The economy is in this state. It is going on this, right? Next things. Everyone is using these extreme words. Please, I am asking you not to use extreme words to justify an answer. Always, they say this always happens. For example, if they are giving a solution, the government always does this. It is always the case. Or any other extreme word. Please avoid using any extreme words. Then third, if the panel is saying something, you have to agree with him, right? Don't just argue with the panelist. For example, if they are giving you a hypothetical situation, for example, if you are the foreign minister of Pakistan and then they give you a hypothetical situation and to frame out the solution, don't just argue with the panelist, okay, how can that be possible or anything. One of the candidates even did this. Next, do not bring any controversial subject, right? For example, when you are answering, so some people have a tendency to say there is always corruption or anything else, right? Or the progress is marred by corruption. If you are first things is repetition. If you are repeating something again and again, or Pakistan is a religiously intolerant place. So if you are repeating one thing again and again, it means that you are irritating the examiner and you are bringing some controversial subject, so a question will be asked accordingly and you might not get the desired marks. Next, do not change the facts and figures in order to prove your point. Some say that how many cases of polio are there, some say like there are quite a few, right? This is another error. This is like giving vague answers, right? So please do not give vague details. These are like vague details. This is something else. But some say like they are like two or three. When you are not sure about a fact, please do not change the facts. Say I am not aware of it, or say that there are some, right? They are saying that quite a few is something. But when you are saying quite a few, so it means the examiner will ask that how many then, right? So you should be sure about it. So do not change the facts, right? Now, according to the recent report you might have gone through, it says that 8.9% is the fiscal deficit that it has been widened, according to the Ministry of Finance report. So you must have gone through it, but most of the people don't. They just look at the past questions and they go through those details. Focus on reports like the Acer report, etc. Next, do not give hypothetical solutions to issues. It should be practical, please. Again, never mix definitions, like it can be I am asking about BOT, you are giving me a definition of BOP, and current account deficit, you are giving me something else definition. At least your options should be mind-blowingly perfect. You should have perfect knowledge of the optional subjects, because at least the panelists will be satisfied, at least you know what you have written. And next things, your eye contact must be with all the panelists, not just on one panelist whom you are answering. You should be looking at all the panelists. Okay, I hope this will help.